If you're looking at a photo printer, why not get a photo printer that also is a sticker printer and does both incredibly well? This is the Liene PixCut 1. I was just gifted this and I am blown away. It prints your standard photos professional style. Absolutely gorgeous laminate photos. You can pop off the edges and you have a perfect image. And it also lets you create custom stickers. It has a ton of templates. I'll show you those in a moment, but you also can choose whatever images you want or create whatever your image you want in the app and then have it print and cut your sticker. So in the end, you have fantastic stickers to use wherever and however you want. And you are not just limited to playful stickers either. This really can be used for work and personal. So let me show you how cool the app is. When you open up the app, it's going to start with a ton of different recommended stickers and then stickers on current themes. Right now, we're very close to Easter and Mother's Day is coming up, so those are options that I have been seeing along the top. It also has a variety of memes that I can use as stickers, very cute. And then you can also search for stickers. So maybe I want to have little task stickers. So I can do tasks and I can search for that and it's going to give me different types of printouts for tasks and little urgent notes, anything I want here. I think I'm going to do like a planner kit printout. Well, let's see which one I like. I like this one. So now that I'm in the canvas, which is somewhere where I can just start with a blank canvas or I can start with a template, I can move these around. I can size them how they want. I can change that text and make it smaller or change what text it's using, all the different pieces. It has an easy undo button as well. And so once you get used to this, you really have a lot of control here. It also does have an AI lab. And what's really fun about the AI lab is you can provide images to it and it will adapt them for you. And it can also stylize however you want. Now, clearly with this example, I don't need the AI lab, so I'm just gonna hit make it so you can see exactly how this works. And the first thing it's going to do is remind me that I need to use sticker paper. And right now the printer's set up with photo paper, so I'll show you how you replace that. This is your cartridge, and you just pop it right out, and this is the photo paper. And then I want to pop in the sticker paper, which means I need to slide down this little 4x7 notch so it pops in cleanly. And once it's in, I just slide it into the back. And now I can choose my border, which is the border around each sticker. You can see there's a blue line around each sticker and I can choose how thick that is. I can only get so narrow, so there are some tolerances here. So it looks like I went a little too tight. So I'll make it just a little bit wider. Now you may be able to see that the bottom left cloud and the little checklist next to it are pretty much on top of each other. So I'm actually gonna fix those real quick, and that's as easy as just going backwards. I'm actually just gonna shrink down that cloud a little bit, just so they're not on top of each other with the stickers. Now let's do it again. And now it looks like every single one has its own unique border, even the top ones. So now I just hit cut, and now it's going to print it and cut it for me. And just watch. Now it is using thermal dye with 300 DPI, and what it's going to do is print the different colors. It will start with yellow, and then it will do its layer of magenta over the yellow layer, and finally it will do a layer of cyan. And then once all the colors are on it, it's going to go in one more time and laminate itself. And now that it is laminated, it's going to come out the other side where it will cut each sticker so everything is easy to pull off. They all will work just like stickers. It'll come all the way out and then it will start working around each element. And that's what it's doing right now. It's cutting every single sticker. And now it's finished, and now all of these just peel right off to use however you want. Now, one con with it is that when in use, it does need the cartridge to stick all the way out. But when not in use, the cartridge actually has a little extra pocket at the top you can slide it right into, close it right up, and then it's a really nice, sleek, little clean box ready to use when you want to use it. The Liene PixCut S1 is quite impressive. If you've been looking for a sticker printer, photo printer, the works, this is the one.